Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to animate text in Adobe After Effects. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program right here on your PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up the first menu you'll be greeted by is the composition menu where you can get started creating your composition. You can go ahead and select your quality, fill out all the info that you need, and after that click on OK and get started with your composition right here. So we can go ahead and open up a new project if you already have one, or create a new one, and after that we can get started with adding our text. So the first thing we want to do to be able to animate text is to go ahead and add it. So what we're going to do is click the text button right here at the top of the screen in the menu, click the horizontal type tool, and this is going to enable us to type now here. So go ahead and type out whatever you need, and now this is our text right here. So as you can see at the right side of the screen, it's going to open up the text menu where we can go and select the font, we can select the opacity, color, so on, everything regarding our text. Now we can get started with animating it. So guys, as you can see right at the right side of the screen, we will also have an option that says effects and presets, and guys, under effects and presets we can find all the animation presets that we have. What we want to do is go ahead and search for text. So guys, as you can see under text guys, now we can go ahead and find other stuff that we have. So you can open up the official text folder right here, and under text guys, you'll have a lot of options, and one of them is going to be something called 3D text. So you can go ahead and enter in the 3D text effect, as you can see right here. So we have the 3D bastion effects and so on. So you can try out all the animations right here that you can find under effects and presets and start adding them to your text to see how they look and find the animation that's going to work the best for you. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.